Yes.
Oh, you know what?
What?
I turned Poppy too big.
You did.
Yes, I didn't say that. And Barbie cooks for Poppy, just kidding. But the Barbie cooks for little bitty people. And here's the aliens. It's just pretend. You have to pretend this is Barbie's because you have to do it with, because you have to do one hand with another hand with the, they're cool shirt, but hold on. Okay, watch this. Hello, I'm a puppet. I'm Taco Poppy. You know me.
You are super silly. Okay.
Hold on.
I don't know how long this video.
I want to see it.
Okay, bye.